Hey everyone, Thomas with Thermosol. In this video I'm going to show you how to install the new Thermosol digital shower valve. But before we do that, let's open up the box and see what comes inside it. When you first open up the box, you'll find the installation manual, a set of screws and anchors, the fittings for the water inlet and the outlets to the shower, 20-foot yellow data cable that connects the digital shower valve to the power distribution module, the battery backup, and the digital shower valve. When it comes to this digital shower valve, it operates off two industrial-grade stepper motors with 400 positions that take away the noise factor found with solenoid valve systems and provides precise temperature control. It can be installed up to 30 feet away from the shower. It's equipped with industry-leading ceramic disc flue valves that ensures reliability and safety. It has 3 output valves, so for example, you could use a rain head, a shower head, and a wand. It has an output of 9.25 gallons per minute at 45 psi and includes a battery backup. To install the battery backup, you're going to place it into this back corner. You're going to run the wire through the channel and plug it into the ACCU. When placing the valve, you're going to want to make 2 marks, 9 1/4 inch apart. These marks are what you'll use to mount the digital shower valve. If you're unable to mount the digital shower valve into a stud, you'll need to use the anchors provided. You'll have to drill a hole either using an 8mm or a 5/16 drill bit. Once you have your 2 holes drilled, go ahead and place the anchors inside of them, and then go ahead and mount the digital shower valve. The fittings on the left have a larger diameter than the fittings on the right. These will be for your water inlet, and these will be for the outlet to the shower. When installing the pipes, you could use copper or PEX pipe. I recommend PEX pipe because it's easier to work with. Using a 10mm socket, go ahead and remove both retaining bolts. Now go ahead and install your water lines. Cold on the right, hot on the left, and then reinsert the retaining bolt and tighten it down. It is always good practice to install ball valves on the water inlet lines just in case anything ever has to be serviced or any of the fittings have to be changed. When it comes to installing the outlets, you have to make sure you put them in the proper location. Outlet 1, which is for the rain head, is to the right. Outlet 2, which is for the shower head, is to the upper left, and outlet 3, which is for the wand or body jets, is to the lower left. And if they are not plumbed correctly, the icons on the control will not match the outputs into the shower. After you've installed the outlets, go ahead and reinstall the retaining bolt and tighten it down. The digital interface module has a double-sided tape on the back. Before you remove that and mount it, you'll want to connect the cable first. Once you've connected the data cable, you can go ahead and remove the double-sided tape and place it on the wall or on top of itself. After all the plumbing connections have been made and the retaining bolts are tightened down, we can now go to the control and test all the functions to make sure everything's working properly. When testing the functionality on the control, you should be able to press the rain head and the water will come out of the rain head. You should be able to push the shower head and it should come out of your shower head. And lastly, if you push the wand, it should come out of the wand, or body jets, depending on what the customer has. After all the functions have been properly tested, just go ahead and reinstall the cover. And that completes the install of the digital shower valve.